Hey guys, it's Michael again. Welcome to our digital marketing course, and you welcome to our section 9, pretty much titled, What is Next? Listen, you've gone through the training. That's so amazing. Now let's talk about what should be your next move. So this is just going to be a quick, short, get together with you guys, right? What is next? All I can say is one thing is that congratulations that you completed this course. I truly thank you guys for that, which pretty much means you're part of an exclusive group of marketers who know how to attract, engage, and convert your customers into a more social digital environment. Simply by applying the lessons you've learned in this training, you'll have a huge advantage over your competitors. So what's the next thing you need to do? The foundation that was laid in front of you guys, that you've gone through this whole training, they're gonna help you grow your business and start making headway to meet your goals. We can say with pretty much utmost confidence, you'll likely see improved metrics across every area of your business if you begin to apply what we've trained you guys. But the wonderful thing about digital marketing is that there's no limit to what you can achieve. Your next step is to develop your skills in each of these areas so you can outpace your competitors and anticipate the needs of your customers. That's how you achieve your real goals as a digital marketer, creating and optimizing your customer value journey. So for startups, agencies, or business owners, if you want to create the ultimate marketing dream team capable of implementing everything you've learned in this training, you're going to want to be able to find the right people and continue on with the training that we're giving you guys. That's the main goal here. Remember, this is the introduction to you guys. And I know it's already a lot of information, and a lot of you guys probably hopefully been taking notes. And I sure hope that you guys keep on watching the video so that this really absorbs in your system and becomes a more of a instant response rather than you having to figure things out. You have to know a lot of the lingo that we shared with you guys. You gotta have to know the different funnels and strategies from the top of the funnel to middle of the funnel to bottom of the funnel to conversion, and to be able to analyze things correctly. You need to bring in the right people together with your team to be able to be successful. Now, some of you guys, are just starting your digital marketing journey for whatever business you're in, whether you're in the healthcare business trying to find patients, or maybe you're trying to provide social media marketing services to other companies, or maybe you've been hired in a company to be able to run their digital marketing. It does not matter. The goal here is to always keep on learning what's working, but this is the beginning of the process. So thank you so much I really want to say thank you again. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I know it took a while, but guess what? We have more courses that you should attend because it's important for you guys to create success. So once again, this is Michael. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have a beautiful day. Always understand that marketing is easy if you know what you're doing.